First, open Veo AI and sign in through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create consistent AI characters, start by designing your character before generating the first scene. Describe the character's age range, appearance, hairstyle, clothing, facial features, body type, personality, and overall visual style. For example, you could describe a young explorer wearing a dark green jacket, brown boots, a small backpack, and having short black hair with a realistic cinematic appearance. Keep these character details consistent in every prompt. When creating your first scene, include the complete character description along with the environment, action, lighting, and camera movement. Generate the video and carefully check the character's appearance. If the result looks good, use the same core description when creating your next scene. Avoid changing important character details between prompts unless you intentionally want the character to look different. For longer projects, create a character reference or maintain a written character description that you can reuse in every scene. You should also keep the character's clothing and important accessories consistent.